Hello everyone, this is Alina from Alinacutle. Today I introduce this postage stamp die cut and birthday clear stamps to you. I will make a simple tutorial and see how to use them. First, we can get a stamp background, and as in this video, the stamp background die with single small frames, we can get a stamp frame. In this video, I will layer them to make a card, stick them together, and then blend with pink. Okay, now we get the background with pink. It seems very nice. Then I use this stamp to decorate this background. I will make a birthday card. There are some lovely small parts encoded in this die set. Also, I hope to use them for this card. Let's try it. And for last small frame, I will deck with birthday cake with candles. It's very cute and perfect size for this small frame. Okay, now I will glue these small parts on the card. All these parts are from this die set, including the banners. Very cute, right? And the size is also exact for the frame. And a small sweetheart. Tiny flowers. Even we designed very tiny leaves for the flowers. Okay, a very sweet card almost done. We lay a pink background. Where is my today's happy birthday card? And here is the blue one. All the stamps and the small decoration are all from this set. Hope you love this new set. Thank you. Bye bye.